You're not getting paid for that, okay? All right. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's T and we are back with another video. It's been a while since I sat down and filmed a video. Everything that you've seen in the past 3-4 videos that was filmed like 2 months ago. So hi, I'm back. It's me. What's up? Today was going to be a quick video and we're just going to talk about working from home or doing classes from home or anything from home since we're all on lockdown. I've been working from home since June of 2019. My job is full-time at home and I had to learn a lot of things. I had to figure out a lot of things that work for me, how to concentrate, how to get things done, especially with the puppy. And now that my boyfriend is back and we are living together, it's a lot easier to have him around because he helps out with nips and we can break things up in a schedule that works for us. And this is what works for me. And I just want to share a few tips and tricks that I think would be useful, especially for students, especially for people who have never worked from home before ever and are like losing their mind just a little bit. So let's just jump right into it. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that button right down below. And here we go. Number 1 is as soon as you get up in the morning, get dressed. Like, put some clothes on. For me, what I do is I put like athleisure clothes on because it kills 2 birds with 1 stone. I already know I need to work out later, so in order to like motivate me and like push me to work out, I just put on what I'm gonna wear to work out, whether it's a cute sports bra, cute little workout outfits, or even if it's just like a fresh pair of joggers. Get out of your PJs, put some clothes on. I like to put a bra on. Some people don't. It's fine, but it just makes me feel like I'm about to be productive. It gets the ball rolling. So my suggestion is as soon as you wake up, whether it's 6 a.m., 9 a.m., 12 in the afternoon, get up, get dressed, put a fresh pair of clothes on, brush your teeth, wash your face, do what you need to do, but get out of the bed. Just exit the bed. Pretend it's not there. Just keep it moving. And this is easier some days than it is for others. Today was really easy. Today I was like, ooh, it's 7 a.m. Let me get my butt up. I got dressed. And here we are. Number 2 is find a propped up place to do work. Whether you have a class online, whether you are working from home. I luckily have a desk because I used to work for a furniture company, but I have a desk that I have in my apartment and that's where I really like to do most of my work. Or I'll do it on my couch and like put my laptop on like a pillow. But I try to avoid doing work in bed because I know I'm gonna just fall asleep if we're being honest. I don't have a TV in the room, so the only other option is just to go to sleep. So my suggestion is sit up, find a propped up place to work, put your laptop on, get water next to you, just sit up and get it done. Number 3 is to take breaks. During the workday, breaks are already incorporated in your day, especially, when I work retail, we had breaks. Some people do not. Nips is crying for a break right now. Some people don't, but I would definitely suggest, scheduling some breaks out. Don't just be glued to the computer. I've done that a lot since working from home. I'll start work at a certain time and I won't end till like 6 hours later and I'll be like, what is going on? No. Schedule a break, take a break, even if it's for 10 minutes, just step away from your computer, go stare outside a window or go take a walk around the block, but take a break, take a breather. Do not work from home and like think that all you're doing at home is working. Nah, you're not getting paid for that, okay? All right. Number 4 is eat. Schedule your meals throughout the day the same way you would if you were in an office, or if you weren't even eating in the office, you need to eat at home. So whether you need to meal prep for the day, say, hey, at 10 a.m. I'm gonna eat some breakfast, or being like, nah, forget everything. I'm closing the laptop from 12 to 12:30 or 12 to 1, eat lunch. You need to eat. Being at home, like it gets easy to just snack or ignore your eating because you're just on your laptop and you're chilling. No, you have to eat. Working from home has taught me a strict eating schedule. It's a lot difficult now that my boyfriend's home because he likes snacking a lot and like I like snacking, but snacking's not good for you, you know what I mean? But all I'm saying is please eat. Schedule 2 meals a day at least. If you're skipping breakfast, drink a smoothie, get some tea, but please eat lunch. Please stop what you're doing and eat. You can even have a working lunch. Put some nutrients in your body, especially during this time right now where we're stuck inside and we're trying not to get sick. Your body needs those nutrients, and make sure it's a solid meal, not like let me just throw together like bag of chips and whatever. No, eat a meal. Number 5, this one I personally do not do anymore, but it did help me a ton, is do not disturb. It is the best feature that has ever been included on a cellular device. My phone used to be a do not disturb all day, every day. But because I work from home, I don't have a work phone, so this is my work phone. I can't leave it on do not disturb because I have to take calls and things like that. But I do put certain contacts on do not disturb that I talk through throughout the day. Like, no offense, sometimes she's on do not disturb, some of my friends are on do not disturb. I'll go check the messages eventually, try to stay off social media, and there is a great app. It's the Forest app, I believe. I'll link it down below, where it won't let you touch your phone or like you kill a tree. It's weird, but I'll link it down below. I used to use that as well. But just limit your phone usage time, I guess. Especially social media. It's hard to stay off of it when you're working from home. There's no one like watching you or anything like that. So definitely limit your phone time. Do not disturb. I'm telling you, blessing. A blessing in disguise. Those are my 5 main tips and tricks from working from home. And I guess a bonus one would be try to get outside the house, guys. We're locked down, it's quarantine, I get it, but take a walk around the block. I understand some people can't do that, but I try to take a walk. I have a dog, so I'm lucky enough to be able to walk outside, but get outside when it's nice out. Go for a long walk. Make it work. I hope those tips and tricks helped you, especially for students, especially for those who, like I said, are working from home for the first time ever. It can be hard, but I'm telling you, it's possible. And once you find what works for you and find a routine that works for you, it's gonna be a breeze. It'll be fine. Just woosah a little bit, y'all. And that is it for me. Feel free to like, comment, and of course subscribe. And remember to just look good, feel good, be good. I haven't said that in so long, but like I feel like that's so needed right now. Yes, look good, feel good, be good, y'all. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.